Okay, so now you're just snapping it on.
Snap it on, push it down.
What do? You put it right above the clip and then push it down?
And on top, make it away, or
And snap.
snap.
This is a lot easier than nailing this stuff. And you guys, when you install it, you don't even paint the stuff, do you?
Yes. No. Okay, now take it off.
Yeah, if you can show us how you take this stuff off. Snap the bottom part, and then it just snaps off, peels off the bottom.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And then you guys can run wiring behind that too, like Cat 5 and electricals?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's a way to hold this wire,
Right.
you know.
Cool.
Now go back again.
And then, like I say, where you have a splice, you split the clip with the two pieces
Yes.
to hold the same level.
Yes.
Perfect.